Welcome back, fellas. In this video I'll show you how I replace this ugly ass stereo with this Idoing 9-inch Android 12 head unit with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Also with its own subframe. These plastic pray bars came with a radio, so let's use them to rip out this original plastic frame. I'll have to disconnect a couple of connectors and later in video transfer 2 vents and switches to the new frame. This stereo is held in place by 4 Torx screws. Now it can be pulled out. What a junk! I'll disconnect antenna, main power connector, small connector and this last white connector. In case you're wondering, here is the backside of old stereo. New head unit has few bells and whistles such as USB connectors, GPS antenna and reversing camera, so they need to be routed and attached somewhere in the car. USBs in the glove box, GPS antenna under the dash and reversing camera somewhere in the back ideally. Let's start with FM AM antenna adapter, just plug it into the factory one. Same applies for these 3 main connectors. By the way, all adapters, cables and devices came with a unit from Idoing. Idoing are go-to place for most make and model cars head units. They are supplying full sets, plug and play with amazing customer service. Idoing website is linked in description below. Make sure to use coupon code TakeApart to get discount. Next in queue is video and feed loom with its own map attached. Also, blue reverse detection wire has to be connected to yellow wire that comes from reversing camera. I'll connect that one later. And last is this loom with blue wire aka Wi-Fi antenna that will just hang off of the stereo. Here we go. Let's connect the main connector. Only one place it can go, just like so. Next, GPS antenna SMA connector, following by FM AM antenna. Next, this one with camera in line goes next to the main connector, following by this one for USB cables, pops in like a little Lego. And this Wi-Fi antenna loom goes in last. Now, let's see. So, ignition on and... Whoa, that was quick. Let's test out speakers and antenna. They are working. You won't hear anything due to copyright. Next, I'll check GPS signal. Yup, all works. Plenty of satellites. In order to test the reverse camera, I have to connect yellow 12 volt wire from camera to blue wire labeled reverse from stereo. So heat shrink, a little solder, and boom, all done. So camera should turn on when car is in reverse. Yellow wire is coming from a reverse light and also powering camera as well. Done. Let's test it out. Ignition on and gear stick in reverse. Boom. Video feed is here, nice and clear. So again. And here are angles for multiple cameras. This is supposed to be back view. Alright, while I tidy up my wiring, you should subscribe and definitely go and check Idoing website, link in description below. They have a good stuff plus outstanding customer support. Make sure to use coupon code TakeApart to get discount. Once all in place, I like to test all functions, so yeah, looks like all good. Now let's turn Beast back on and let me quickly show you how to change navigation to Google Maps as default. So settings, general and Navi app. Here choose Google Maps. Let's see and boom, gangster. Also, this unit has access to Play Store, so you can download pretty much any app you like. In the next videos I'll show you how to change themes and also how to set up CAN bus to control head unit with steering wheel buttons. Stay tuned and see you next time.